Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Now if you're struggling to make sales in a very competitive marketplace, then you may or you may not know that you are fishing in a red ocean. There's just too many people fishing, not enough fish for everybody, and the fish are simply not biting, so no fish, no sales. So what you need to do is remove yourself from this red ocean and create your own blue ocean, a place where there are lots of fish and very little, if any, competition. Now, if you can understand this concept of creating a brand new marketplace where you can thrive with much less competition, then you do have a license generally to print money. Now, it does not matter what niche you're involved in, or if you're promoting one of the evergreen affiliate marketing niches, maybe like health, fitness, wealth, finance, real estate, relationships, self-help, etc. You know the ones. Then you're going to have a lot of competition anyway. But you've got to think of competition as not a bad thing, it's a great thing, because it simply confirms that there is a lot of money circulating in that marketplace. And you're in a niche where there is money to be made, and all you need to do is devise a plan of action just to remove the competition. And one of the best ways to do this is by offering lead magnets. Now this could range from a free training course, maybe a gift or a simple report, depending on the value of your core offer. You see, everything has to be scaled, and the more value your core offer has, then this has to be matched by the quality of your lead magnet. And the problem is, lead magnets are not what they once were years ago. See, when I started, well, that was 23 years ago now, you could give away maybe a simple report, maybe a cheat sheet, an ebook of maybe 8 to 10 pages, or checklist, and this was enough to get somebody to join your mailing list. Affiliate marketing has changed completely. Now we have free information absolutely everywhere, and you can go onto YouTube and take a full affiliate marketing training course for absolutely nothing, and you don't even need to give your name and email address to get access to it. So this is where we are at this very moment. So where does that leave the lead magnet strategy? So still very strong in my opinion, and you certainly have to be inventive and try and put together something so simple that it does basically two things. Firstly, it cannot take anything away from your core offer. It cannot dilute it. The product that you're promoting, it's something that has got to enhance your offer and gives your lead a very good reason to buy. And secondly, it has to give enough value for someone to give up their name and email just to get their hands on it. Now this could be something a customer will see as maybe has real monetary value, but they're getting it for free, so there's a lot of benefit in that. It could be something that saves somebody so much time researching this information, so they will gladly take the shortcut and get it from you for free. Or it has to be something that provides an instant solution to a major problem, or it has to be something that would make a customer feel better for having it. They have a distinct advantage for having that information. So in other words, just give your customer exactly what they want. Anyway, let's explain this in more detail now. Let's just dive into the computer and play a game of lead magnet value. Okay guys, so let's have a bit of fun with this game of perceived value. So on this first one, this could be anything. It could be a little ebook, it could be a report, it doesn't really matter. Now let's suggest that you're maybe promoting some dietary supplements on ClickBank in this instance, and you just need a lead magnet to get people on your mailing list, and then you can start pushing your email sequence to promote this dietary supplement, whatever it may be. So here we are, the Slimming Group, top 7 ways to lose weight. This is the lead magnet. This would have worked absolutely fine years ago, but not anymore. Everything now has got to be so targeted. So here's the other option which will work nowadays, and you can see the difference. How I lost 7 kilograms in 7 days without dieting or strenuous exercise. So everything's very, very specific. They've lost 7 kilograms in 7 days Obviously, that's going to appeal to a lot of people because they don't want long diets going on for months and months and months. So here we are. Here's a system, a product. So we say the supplements, which is how they lost 7 kilograms, 7 days. Very, very appealing, has real value. And the big sting here is without dieting or strenuous exercise. And this is the main problem with dieting, isn't it? It either takes too long. Nobody likes to diet. People like food, and you can't eat the food that you want to eat. And absolutely nobody wants to do strenuous exercise if they can get away with it. So here we are, lead magnet, which has got more value, this one or this one. Has to be this one. Very, very, it's got the real value without dieting or strenuous exercise. Really taps in to a problem that people who want to lose weight, that this is their main problem. They don't want to diet. They don't want to do exercises. They want a system where they can avoid that but still lose weight. So this is how it works. So that was the value. Same thing really. Let's suggest that you're working as an affiliate for a service on the internet which provides maybe SEO work, providing backlinks to websites. So they get more backlinks, they go up in the rankings and get more traffic. So years ago, this would have worked perfectly, how to drive traffic to your website. Not nowadays. It's got to be very, very specific. So you can say how I went from 0 to 15,000 website visitors a day in only 30 days. It's got the number, it's got the time, 30 days. So obviously all the value is over here. This is what people want to see, a step-by-step process of how you can go from nothing to 15,000 website visits a day in only 30 days. This would have worked years ago. This would have been fine. Not now. It's all down to this. Specific, being very specific and offering value. How about this one? Stocks and shares. So maybe you're investing, you're an affiliate for like a software platform. Lots of those on ClickBank, good sellers, and very high commission. A lot of recurring billing with these software products in the financial market. So years ago, stocks and shares, where to invest your money. A great little ebook, that would have been a great report for free. Good lead magnet, not anymore. So you can see the difference here. A top Wall Street trader reveals the secret, where to invest your money. Where's the value? It's here. So you've got an expert, a well-known expert telling you where to put your money, where to invest it. Absolute gold, and this is the value. Something very, very specific. And if he was promoting a platform, a software platform for stocks and shares, this would be the ideal lead magnet for that. How to be a billionaire, or even how to be a millionaire if you wanted. This would have been a bestseller, a great lead magnet years ago. Not so much now. So let's change it up, give it more value. Follow my 10 steps. Very, very specific 10 steps that made me a billionaire. You can find all this stuff on the internet, and maybe you can promote in maybe millionaire mindset coaching. A lot of this on ClickBank, wealth, mindsets, very, very popular. And this could be the products where this lead magnet would work very well. Same thing again, my top tips for beautiful skin. On the face of it, a very, very good lead magnet. But when you put it up against this one, a Hollywood makeup artist reveals her secrets for beautiful skin. Where's the value? Which one do you want? It's got to be this one. It's very, very specific. Everybody wants the Hollywood makeover, don't they? And maybe you're promoting beauty products on Amazon by maybe a well-known Hollywood makeover artist. So everything ties in perfectly with this. This is your lead magnet, which will take them in. And this would, obviously, inside the lead magnet, you would promote beauty products from a Hollywood makeup artist that you will probably find on Amazon. So this would be a great lead magnet. Every woman would probably want this. Not so much that, but this one, very, very specific. Lots of value. Hollywood makeup artist, ticks all the boxes. About this one was maybe you're promoting like an Instagram boost tool, where there is one which you obviously pay. You could be an affiliate of this, which obviously boosts your followers on Instagram. So how to become an influencer on social media, not very specific. Then you have the option, another option here, how to become an Instagram influencer. Instagram, very specific, in only 3 months. There's the time period, step by step. Everybody wants step by step guide to millions of followers. Everybody on Instagram wants millions of followers. So this would be perfect lead magnet leading in to the social Instagram boost tool, which you can buy to boost your Instagram following. Just give it a boost, a software, paid software, which you could be an affiliate from. So this would be a perfect option for that. Let's suggest that you're promoting Unipro software on Facebook, which is a tool which boosts your leads, boosts your followers, grows your Facebook group, all in one. Unipro, a great product. It's $200 a month. Once you buy that product, you can actually promote it. I think it's about 40% commission. I may be wrong on that, but so there's a lot of money going in there. So what's your lead magnet for Unipro? How to make up to $10,000 a month with Facebook affiliate marketing. On the face of it, that is a very good lead magnet. But how to consistently make 10,000, a big difference every month. Not a month, a generic a month, every month with Facebook affiliate marketing with free traffic. Maybe you're thinking, oh, well, I know this one. This is probably using loads of paid ads, paid traffic. But no, you're very, very specific with this one. Consistently make 10,000 every month with Facebook affiliate marketing with free traffic. So you could be promoting the Unipro software with that. So there you go. It just shows you where you can. Hopefully by now you can see where the value is between the two, and the type of lead magnets that you should be creating. It's got to have the value, some value. It must save people time, must provide a solution to a problem, or it might be an advantage if you're into Facebook affiliate marketing and you want the edge over your competition. Then purchasing Unipro could be the difference. So obviously that's what people want. So just think of those 4 things when you think of a lead magnets: value, time, solution, advantage. That is the key. Now, you don't have to create obviously these lead magnets yourself. You can go onto Fivver and people will do these for you if you don't really have the time, not sure what to do, and you can get these for only from £9, which is probably about maybe $13-14. And you can see some of these 5-star rating. They've done 305 gigs, and it's not going to cost you very much if you wanted somebody to do a professional lead magnet for you. But just going back to the weight loss one, that's for example, you go onto Google, how to lose weight without dieting and exercise, and somebody's already done all the work for you. 9 proven ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. Everything is there. It's practically copy and paste. There is your lead magnet if you're into the dieting niche. Anyway, I hope you got some value from this tutorial. It's just one of the strategies, lead magnets, which is outlined in the $3,000 a month affiliate marketing training program that I recommend. And here it is. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.